Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement, happy with a twist acrylic pours plus, and I'm down here. We're gonna do a hopefully decent Halloween acrylic pour. Alrighty, I already got the cup ready. It's about filled to the brim here. And the colors I'm using are, neon green. Didn't even notice that, I just noticed the green. And that's from I don't know who that's by. And then we have the sap green by Artist Loft Ready Mixed. Whoop, bam. Slam that down. We're using some Old Gold by Artist Loft Ready Mixed. Some black by Artist Loft Ready Mixed. Violet by Artist Loft Ready Mixed. Orange by Artist Loft Ready Mixed. Metallic white by Artist Loft Ready Mixed. Deep yellow by Artist Loft Ready Mixed. And Magenta Deep by Artist Loft Ready Mixed. So, it's cold upstairs. It's cold outside. I think fall is finally here. Yay. We shall see. Let's see. Let's put on the apron. I'm down here playing Rocky Horror Picture Show. So, alright, that's the clean side, so that goes against me. Yay. Alright, I got out the marbles because I'm not sure what all we're going to do with this. So, it's been a while since I've been down here and really... aside from, well, the last time I was down here doing anything was when I had the two 8x10s. And I was trying Jelly Cubes, there we go, technique. So, anywho, what shall we do here? Okay, I'm wondering if I should do... Alexa, volume 2. That might have helped. Okay. I don't know what I want to do here. If I want to do a traveling tree ring or sections of rings, or what to do here. I can tell you one thing. These paints back here are going to get a bathing in their own paint. Oh, I hope everyone is well. Yeah, it's been a hot minute. I think I'm back to reality now. Alrighty. Wow, what's this about Alec Baldwin? Shoo doggy, that came out of nowhere. Okay, in my opinion, I don't think he's at fault. I think it was the person who either set the guns up, which I forget what they called them, or the person that handed it to him, stating it was a cold gun. I don't think he had any intention of fatally or even intentionally just shooting anybody. Anywho, if you haven't heard about it, look up Alec Baldwin. You'll see plenty about it. Alright, let's see. I think you're totally in position here. Let me try and lift you up some. Helmet's on while I'm doing this. Helmet's on. Okay. Let's see if that was any better. Oh. Okay. I'm kind of nervous. I am. How weird is that? Okay. Let's just start off with a traveling and see how it goes. Kind of muddy looking, isn't it? Yes. I'm gonna have to watch Rocky Horror Picture Show this weekend. Okay. Not really too excited about this. Anyone else? It's looking kind of bleh. We're gonna run the torchy over it. Okay, I don't know what that was, but we're turning that off. The hell? Excuse my lingo. Try it again. That was just weird. Okay. Alrighty. Whoo, doggy. If it can happen, it will happen here. Anything odd, it's gonna happen here. I can see the sparkle of the metallic white and or the gold. One of the two. This isn't looking very Halloween, is it? I do like the shimmer in there. I don't know if you can see it in this. I do like it though. Nice colors that have fallen off. Oh, yeah, it's looking kind of gnarly under there. Almost looks like floral. Okay. Yep. Alrighty. Here's where we're like, well, what next? Okay. Alright, gonna put you on hold and we're gonna figure this one out. Okay, had to start the music all over again and blah, 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 blah. It's all good. So I mixed up some more here. Layered some more, I should say. Mixed any. I want to say I put the gold in there, the neon green, a little bit of black, the metallic white, the magenta deep, and, yep, the deep yellow. Yeah, deep yellow. So we're just gonna see what we can do with this. Gonna try and fill things in. Oh, it's kind of pretty. What's coming out, that is. I'm just kind of ribbing this around. See what happens. I see my school colors in here. Alrighties. I may be on more often, or I may not. Sadly, I had to drop the classes. So, we won't go into that reason. But it was not... It wasn't on my part But I had to do it, but on others' parts. Because, yeah, my mind is consumed with their problems that I shouldn't have to be. That's all I'm gonna say. But, yeah, at least for this moment. Okay. Let's get this going here. Alrighties. I get this one done. I might try something else. Might. This might be a double night for me. I don't know. Because I kind of have an idea of what I kind of like to do. But, well, that's rather interesting, isn't it? Okay, see if I can get all these. Yeah, try not to drip on there. Alrighty. I have no idea what the back looks like. And I got some paint on my fingies here. Okay, the front. Yep, front's done. Okay, I'm just gonna pick it up and look. Alrighty. Add my way torch. Okay. Alright. Put you on pause, get my hands clean, and you'll come down for a close-up. Okay, let's take you on a tour. Here is, excuse me, a corner. I think there's some, yes, there's definitely some gold, white. It's all in there. Alright, we're going to head on up. Pardon the light, but I only have one of them left. That's kind of that's an interesting corner there. I do like the white and the magenta deep that have combined, I guess. So, this is different. I'm liking it. Okay, so that's going to be it for this one. I did not tell you, I'm sorry, the size of this is a 16 by 24. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, as horrible as it was, and that you click the like button, and maybe even subscribe. Hit the bell so you'll be notified of future pours that I do, or whatever they are. And I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Again, it's Jackie from Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus, and we will talk to you guys later. Thanks for taking a look. Bye-bye.